Thank you, everyone, for again taking time to join us on the New Rules for Money platform. We're on Facebook, we are on Instagram. Um, we are committed to educating people on the foreign exchange market. And so I am connected with a team of very, very successful, smart traders who are committed to my success and they'll be committed to your success. I'm passionate about helping people win in life. And my nickname is Wall Street. People call me Wall Street Rich, Wall Street Williams. We'll get into that story later. But as I started to share earlier, to check the box yes or no. Do you have the freedom to work wherever you want to? Do you have um, the freedom to build a successful financial future? Right? Or do you have a sustainable and energizing work-life balance? You're just saying yes or no. You have the freedom to work and raise children without losing your mind. You have the opportunity to make yourself rich rather than someone else's idea. Here's one of the things I learned about this term rich or wealth. It means different things to different people. At the end of the day, the amount of money that you can live, okay, let me put it a different way. How many days can you live forward beyond your last paycheck says something about our wealth status. Does that make sense? And do you have the opportunity to make progress towards your goals? Success means different things to different people. Earl Nightingale said that success is the progression towards a worthy idea or goal. Hey, listen, as I'm going through this, I'm monitoring, I'm checking on Facebook. If you have questions, pop your questions in. Do me a favor, let me know where you're watching from. What city and state or what country that you're watching from, because we broadcast this all over. What are some of the challenges that you're facing today? Do you ever feel like sometimes you were meant for more? 85% of people in a Gallup poll, 85% of people don't feel happy or fulfilled at their jobs, and they dread waking up every single day. When people aren't happy or fulfilled, their confidence is affected. Their self-worth is affected. Happiness, health, finances, etc. It can suffer. It can suffer. So what if there's a way, and what if things were different, right? And again, our story is very simple. We empower people to be successful. We empower people to be successful. We empower people to be in a position to live better lives. And we give meaning. We help give meaning and purpose. It's why we see so many people having success in their trading. We believe that real change begins with a positive self-talk and thinking. That finding success starts within, right? And you know what? If you hold it in your heart, if you can become it on the inside, you're going to see it on the outside. But it starts on the inside first. So you have to get better on the inside, and then you'll get bigger on the outside. But finding success, friend, it starts on the inside, and it starts with the conversation that we have with ourselves. I had a meeting earlier this morning with our team, and I was sharing with the team that when I walk into the office, when I walk into the business, my mindset is I'm the CEO of a multi-million-dollar company. That's my mindset. So I move and operate as if I'm the CEO of a multi-million-dollar company. And friend, I'm going to encourage you to have that same mindset. I want you to see yourself as a multi-million-dollar successful trader. I want to see yourself as having success in the foreign exchange market, because that's what this empowerment is all about. Just being in total control of your life. I saw this in Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He has a cash flow quadrant. And what he shared was that 60% of the population in the U.S. work for someone else. 35% work for themselves. 1% are investors, and 4% are business owners, right? So what that means is that 95%, right? 95% of the people are only making 5% of the entire market. But guess what else? 5% are making the 95%. Can you see that? 5%. They're making that 95%. right? And so the point here is I want to move into being in the 5%. And how do I do that? I become an investor and or I become a business owner. So welcome to the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market um, is $1 trillion a day. Actually, it's a $6.3 trillion a day industry. See, 5.3 trillion, but there's additional 1.1, 1.0 trillion dollars a day just in digital currency. I'll touch on that a little bit, and then we're gonna jump right to the markets. The foreign exchange market is a market that's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week worldwide. Right? It's a market that you can change it without owning any physical money. Now, there are different aspects of the foreign exchange market. There's digital currency. You've heard of Bitcoin. You heard of Ripple. You heard of Ethereum. These are digital currencies. There's another growing market, and that's that digital currency, and it's setting the future stage for how everyone will handle money. So it's becoming this digital currency. It's becoming a global form of payment for everyday purchases everywhere. You can trade also this digital currency without owning any physical money. So how we set up the training at the academy is that we make learning simplified. We teach you how to master the markets. We show you how to build real wealth and freedom. We have different academies set up. One is the Foreign Exchange Mastery Academy. The other is high frequency trading. Now we're going to take a look at high frequency trading, or binary options as some refer to it as. Then of course we have academy set up for those that are specifically interested in learning about digital currency. Then there's an option for those that want to build a home-based business as it relates to day trading, and we'll show you how to do that as well. So our platform gives you access to over 100 plus full-time educators. You can connect, you can collaborate, you can ask them questions. To me, it's like if I could sit next to a millionaire and ask him or her how they created the wealth, that's what this does. It puts you in the room with these educators who are sharing with you tips and techniques on how to be successful in the foreign exchange market. You get to learn from the best, and you can learn from them live, and you can learn from them on your own time, because every session is recorded, so you can go back and watch it over again and again and again. We also set up live mentorship designed around your busy life schedule. So some of the platform or the tools that we have, we say choose your weapon. These are just some of the different strategies. We're going to take a look at, I guess it's on the opposite side. We're going to take a look at the harmonic scanner. The harmonic scanner is one of the tools that we use to look at the foreign exchange market. For those of you that are busy, it's real easy. You can have trading ideas on Bitcoin. You can have trading ideas on gold. You can have trading ideas on the foreign exchange market sent directly to your phone, so you never miss an opportunity to make money. And then, you could choose from from several of the Academy's products to help you trade successfully. So that's the piece I just want to share with you as it relates to what we're using and how we're having the kind of success in the market. Now I want to go over to share. Here we go. Let me share this screen with you, and we're going to take a look at the foreign exchange market. Now, first I want to show you is, and I don't see it. I had it open. Looks like it's gone or closed. Okay, here it is. Here we go. All right, we're in business. All right, so this is the harmonic scanner. This is one of the tools that I quickly reviewed. This is the harmonic scanner. And don't worry about the colored lines. Don't get too distracted by the red candle or blue candle. These are referred to as candles. What I want you to know is the harmonic scanner, it scans the financial market. It scans the Forex market, and it uses historical data. It goes back 60 years in time. And then it almost predicts where the market is moving. And then it gives suggested ideas on where to enter the market and where to take profit, where to set your stop loss, etc. On the right panel here, you can choose a different currency. We typically trade on the 8 major currency: the euro, the Japanese yen, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, um, the Australian dollar, the euro, the Swiss franc, and the US dollar, right? So we trade on 8. But here's what I want you to notice. You select your broker platform, and then it gives you the different currencies, right? Here's NCD or New Zealand dollar and Canadian. It's showing you the market, and it's showing you the direction that the market is going. And here's a trading idea. They say you enter the market somewhere around here, and then the market is moving down. There's a red arrow that says, hey, it looks like the market is moving down. Let's give you an idea. Now, this harmonic scanner is about 70% accurate. The other tool that I want to show you is what we call the market trap. Now, the market trap is another strategy, but this is for high frequency trading. What's high frequency trading? We call it HFX. Other people refer to it as binary option. Binary meaning 2. So HFX or binary option simply means that it's going to predict where the market is moving, give you a suggested idea on where to enter the market. And binary option simply means you got two choices. We either believe the market is going to close above or below within a certain time period of my entry point into the market. So the market trap, what it does is it's analyzing the market, right? Over here on the right side, it has a different currency pairs, and it has these little, I don't know if you can see this, if you're watching this on a mobile device or your television. If you're on television, you're seeing this pretty clear. If you're on a laptop, you're seeing this pretty clear. But it has different currencies on the right side, and then it has these colored rectangular boxes or shapes. It's given the strength of the currency, like right here, the Australian yen combination. The Australian dollar's currency strength is a 46. The yen is a 70. And because the yen is stronger than the Australian dollar, let me get my arrow out here. That's an indication that the market is moving in this direction, a downward trend or sell trend, right? Or a bearish move. So the market is going down. So market trap says, hey, the market is moving down. It says that the Australian dollar is weaker than the yen. The yen is stronger. It's at 70. The Australian is 44. Now, what we train and teach is that you want currency pairs that are at least 20 points stronger than the other. So if I was going to trade the Australian dollar, I would choose this because the yen is more than 20 points stronger than Australian dollar, and the market is going down. It's a confirmation. Now, you'll notice a blue candle just popped up here. So the other thing that market trap does is market trap right here, it gives you an idea. Now, this is time ago, about an hour ago. So let me refresh this and let's see if we can get updated reading on the market. Okay, here we go. So it says that the market is Australian. The yen is still stronger. Here it says what kind of trade? A put is going down, call is going up. It says when the market hits 94.546. So let's do this. Let's go look at the market right now. So what you're looking at now, ladies and gentlemen, this is my live broker's account. We're on the Australian yen, right? Let's do a dollar. It's at 94.57. All right. Oh, I should have changed my time period. I apologize. I had it on 1 minute. Typically, you should do 3 minutes. Let's go back to this, the market trap. Again, the market trap said the yen is 66, the Australian is 46, at least 20 points stronger. Red arrow is pointing down. It's confirming that the direction that the market is moving, right? And so, I can just jump in, and now typically we do 3 minutes and not 1. So that should have been a longer time period. So that may be a reason that I didn't get what I want in terms of entry with the market. But here again, here's what we're seeing here. Now, interesting. Notice this was like the yen was a 70. Now the yen is a 66. Now, what we're seeing happen right now is that the Japanese yen is losing some of its strength. That means the market will push in the opposite direction. Look at that. See, it's pushing in the opposite direction, right? And exploding in the opposite direction, right? So, um, so this is an area of resistance, and the market pushed up. And look at this, it's 49. That means this market is getting a little bit stronger, right? It's getting a little bit stronger, which I don't like. But one of the things that you can do, and you can do, take a higher entry point. It's called double up. Now the market is dropping. Now the market is dropping. So what we're going to, I came in at this level, market pushed up. I came in at a different level when the market pushed up. So one closed in profit, the other did not, right? But what I'm showing you, we go in, we look at the market. The market trap is analyzing the market. Now it's a 44.66, right? That's still a little close for me. I mean, it's good enough because it's at least 20 points apart. Let me see if I can scroll through and find a currency pair that's more than 20 points stronger than the other. Let me just scroll through here. Look at different currency. Okay, the GCAD, British pound, Canadian dollar. The British pound is currency strength is a 67. The Canadian dollar is a 34. So let's check this out. So it called a put. Put is going down. It says the hit level. It said when the market gets to 0.5665653, you want to take a trade going down. So let's see where the market is. 1.5633. GCAD, I think it's right. Let me go back to G. Scroll through and find GCAD. A little bit more. There we go. GCAD. Boom. So 5658. Right? 5658. So let me do this. If this hits, I'm gonna take a trade here. I'm gonna see if the market's gonna push up to that point before I take it down. It's dropping now, but I wanted to get a little bit of pullback before I jump in. Let's see what happens. Because technically I can jump in at this level because it's 5658. And the market looks like I may have missed my move because the market is moving down. What I usually do is I like for the market to get a little bit of retracement, pull back in the opposite direction, and then jump. Oh, look at that. I like that. Let me take that. Boom. Got a little bit of retracement. It pulled back. Retracement means the market pulled back. So we got a little bit of retracement. The market pulled back. So let's go back to the market trap strategy. Market trap said, it's actually above. The market trap said 5653. It didn't update. Let me refresh it. It didn't update. I don't like that. It didn't update. Let me refresh it. And periodically, you do have to refresh it to get a fresh read on the market. So we're on GCAD. Here we go. GCAD. Wait, am I on GCAD? What am I doing? Oh, actually, GCAD is going up. So oh snap! I just called. I just closed market trade. Oh, that wasn't smart. Market trade. Let's go back. So I'm looking for on GCAD. Here we go. Again, the British pound is 67, Canadian is 30. That means the market is moving up. Right, so I'm looking for a call. Right now, it called a put. I should be looking for a call and not going up. That's what I should be looking for. So that one did not. That was a dollar trade right here is on the right side. So that was a dollar. But I was looking for the market to make a move in the opposite direction. So now I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. 5656. 5656. It's at 5658. If it drops down, oh, you see it spike down and shoot back up. I missed it. You gotta have quick fingers sometimes. See, it pounced. It came down. Let me see. Let's see if it do it again. Now I want to get a good entry point in the market. 5657 is right at this point here. It came down. This is about where I want to get in the market, but it bounced and took off. So, and I'm not going to chase the market. So I'm just going to wait. If it comes back down to this 5657 level, I'm gonna jump in for, and I'm only doing a dollar trade. You can, depending on your account size, you can, depending on how much you have, I recommend that you do 1%. Oh, I hit the button. I didn't mean to hit the button. That was too soon. This was a mistake. I didn't want to come in that high. I wanted to be down. I want the market to be down here. Oh my goodness. And this is not like edited. This is live on Facebook in my private group. Well, so far the market it took off, right? It took off. So I may be okay. Because I wanted to enter the market. I wanted the market to be closer to 5657. I got in at 5658, which is kind of high. I preferred to be down here. Now, here's the other thing about this trade. It's only $1, so it's okay. The broker gives a percentage of whatever the trade is, right? So this is $1 trade. The broker profits at 60 cents. So in 2 minutes, we got about a minute left in this trade. As long as the market closes anywhere above this green line, I'm going to make $1 plus 60 cents. So I'll make $1.60 in 2 minutes, right? If the market, this is binary option. Binary meaning two. Either you think the market is going to close above your entry point, or you think the market is going to close below your entry point. And so based upon, let's go back to the market trap. The market trap said, hey, the British pound is stronger than the Canadian dollar. So that means, let me get my arrow out for you, ladies and gentlemen. That means that the market is moving up. And look at the candles. The candles were here now. It's boom, boom, boom. It's bouncing. It's going up. Even though the red arrow is pointing down, this is another indication the market will be bouncing down. And the market did bounce down. It called a put. Put means go down. And it hits 5656 go down. But the strength is, oh, there we go. Green bubble. Guess what that means? That means I closed in profit. Green bubbles mean I closed in profit. Right? So in 2 minutes, I just made $1.60. That doesn't sound like a lot. But imagine if you had $100 and you did $10 or $5 trade or $2, or at $100 you're still doing a couple dollar trade lot size. That's what they refer to as. The market's dropped back down. So I know that this level right here, 5657, I know that this is a area of resistance. So let's see what happens if it. Oh, you see that? You see that? It came to that level, 5658 area, bam, and it bounced up. So I know that that's an area of resistance. So if that market retraced down to this 5657, I can actually get there if I want to, but it's not low enough. This is when you know your area of resistance. The market's going to move down. It's going to hit this in this level, and it's going to bounce up again. And if it comes to that level, I'm jumping in and taking another trade. So let's just see, 5658 level. I want it to be like 5. Oh, I missed it. But it's close enough. It came to the 5657 level. Is where but I jumped in at 56579. So what happened? The market came to an area of resistance, right? Look at market trap, area of resistance, and it's pushing up, right? And I'm expecting it. Oh, look at it! Wow, that's 5657 right there. That's a beauty right there. That level, it came all the way down to 56571. Oh my goodness! I might have to double up. Double up simply means you take a second position on the trade. Now it's pushing back up. It's above my entry point, and the market is continuing its bullish move. Bullish means it's moving up, right? So I just did 3 quick trades. The first trade, not a lot of analysis. Um, so if this was a trading session, boom, look at that. This is beautiful. Boom. Oh, it's getting a little spiky now. Come on. Listen, I don't care how close it gets to that green line. All I want the market to do is close anywhere above my entry point, and I'm good. Anywhere above my entry point, and I'm good. Right? So here we go. We got a couple more seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Green bubble. Guess what? In 2 minutes, I made another $1.60. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but imagine if you were doing $10. That would have been $16 in 2 minutes. Or if you've been doing $20, right? It doubles. That would have been $32 in 2 minutes. So this is what I love about high frequency trading. And we show you how to analyze the market. Plus, you have a tool. I don't need to know what all these different color lines are. All I need to know is is the market going up or down, and trade according to the arrows um, of what with the direction that the arrows on the market trap is showing you. So that's really it. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I told people on Tuesdays, when I have time in the evening, I jump on for 30 minutes or so, show you what I'm looking at, tell you a little bit about a quick overview of the foreign exchange market. I hope this information is helpful. If you want more information on it, feel free to direct message me. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and that's New Rules for Money. Thank you, friend. I appreciate your time tonight. I see at the top because the bottom is just too crowded. Now, we never look down on anyone unless we're looking down to give them a hand up. I'll see you soon.